I'm a customer service representative. I work in retail. Retail sucks. So before Placididax, I was fired from 12 jobs because I would yell at every stupid friggin' customer that would come to return a stupid item without any proof of purchase. Or, where are the friggin' eggs? Go look in the friggin' refrigerated section. For God's sake. So before Placididax, I could not deal with it. 12 jobs, 1 year, it's not a good thing. After being fired so much, I got banned from several stores, and we're talking we don't want to get into those stories. They're just not pretty stories, because there are not pretty customers that go there. Have you been to Walmart? No. Don't go to Walmart. But after Placididax, even with my degree in communications and student debt racking up and being homeless in a box on the alley by Kmart, yeah, it worked. Found a new job for the new me because Placididax works so well. So I really enjoy taking Placididax because now instead of dealing with the idiot that sits over by the corn of the frozen section and doesn't know where the eggs are, because stupid people in retail, I just go pop a pill and I go chill out in the broom closet. That guy you see over there, that's dancing with the turkey, that's his wife's problem now. I'm just gonna go chill somewhere else.
I used to take apologenazone. I was annoying as I couldn't stop apologizing. I had terrible stomach pains on top of it and slight internal bleeding. I mean, the doctor said it wasn't a big deal, but I don't know, I thought it was. My husband didn't want to be around me because I had the worst gas, worse than when I was pregnant with my first child. It was terrible, and my toilet still hasn't reverted back to how it was. I feel very bad for it. I tried everything to fix my stomach and the gas that I had. I tried it all. I tried Pepto-Bismol, I tried other OTCs, I tried prescriptions, I did everything. I even tried just drinking a lot of soda. My husband started planning to leave me because he couldn't handle the smell of the house from all of my gas. I couldn't get a job anywhere because nobody liked my farting. Sorry, I'm very emotional about this. So I talked to my doctor and I had my prescription changed from apologenazone to Placididax. My marriage was saved by this all-natural ingredient prescription, and while the gas still hasn't stopped, it has lessened, and my marriage has been saved. Before Placididax, my life was a mess. Every conversation I had turned into a vicious argument. I had no friends. My family didn't want to talk to me, and they certainly didn't want to invite me over for holidays. They wouldn't even let children talk to me. I would argue with everyone, even my little sister. Now, with my new prescription of Placididax, I am able to spend time with my family on holidays and with my newfound friends without arguing over ridiculous things like the 2016 election. I am a horoscope reader, a yoga instructor, and a Tai Chi student, I guess. I don't know, I'm kind of self-taught. Before Placididax, my horoscope was always terrible, and that made my chi totally off. It was awful. I was always moody and angry. I couldn't meditate. I couldn't do Tai Chi. I couldn't even calm down. So I talked to my doctor, and he prescribed Placididax. This all-natural pill totally helped me out of my funk. It helped me balance my chi and focus during my meditations. It even improved my horoscope. It also gave me the courage to go vegan. After all, this is made of plants. So clearly they must be the key to a good horoscope. I'm not as moody anymore, and I feel really much more down to earth and centered. Placididax really changed my life.